Welcome to all of you, the Python training session. Today, we are covering topic 4, calculation in Python. How to perform calculations in Python? We use expressions to perform calculations in Python. Basically, what is an expression? Expression is a combination of values and operator. Operator is a symbol used in an expression to perform the calculation. Example, arithmetic operators like plus, minus, star, slash, and modulus operator. So let us see the example for the same. So in this particular example, basically, first I am accepting the value, two values from the user for x and also for y. Then I am adding both the values by using the plus operator. Output will be stored in the total variable and I am printing the output. Now let us execute the program and see the output. For example, x value I have given 10, y value I am giving 5. So the total addition 15, it is printed. How we perform addition? Same way we can do subtraction, multiplication, division, operations. Thank you.